Hey guys, this is the Halo Root Touch-Up tutorial by me, Carissa the Beauty Navigator. Go ahead and grab your kit with your developer, color, gloves, and brush. And can you also add a towel and your own bowl from the kitchen, glass or ceramic? Touch up only what's needed. Wear a button up so it's easy to remove. Grab your towel and drape yourself, securing with a hair clip or hair tie. Grab extra clips for sectioning too. Now it's time to grab your color, put it in the bowl, and add your developer that's already been pre-measured. To purchase color kits, click the link in the description. It's time to mix until smooth and creamy. Go ahead and put your gloves on and brush your hair. You can use a rat tail comb or just the end of your coloring brush to section your hair. Part down the middle and then part from the middle down to your ear. Section your hair into quarters or 4 quadrants. The cleaner your sections are, the better your application will be. Practice making parts in your hair before sectioning into 4 quadrants. This way, you get a feel for your hair and how easy it is to part. I'm starting with my right hand side because it's my easiest side. Notice how I'm holding my ends down to make sure it doesn't get too messy at my part where I'm applying the color. Almost forgot, apply Vaseline on your skin to protect from stains. Try not to let your color brush get too messy. A cleaner brush means a cleaner application. Take a 1/2 inch or an inch wide section and repeat all the way down to your ear. Once that side's done, repeat on the left-hand side. Outline your section before you start the interior to know where the barriers are and to keep everything cleaner. Notice how I'm aiming towards my finger and pulling both of my hands at the same time towards the end of my hair to make a clean section. Using a color brush is a lot like doing makeup. The more you choke up on the brush and your hand's closer to the actual brush, the more control you'll have. The further your hand is away and closer to the end, the less control you'll have. It's important to do the 2 front quadrants first before you move to the back quadrants. That way they process evenly and you don't have one side that's processed longer than the other. Make sure you take your entire section down after completing. That way, everything can process together nice and even. Make sure to have an extra towel handy to wipe your hands on. As we all know, the back is one of the hardest things to do. So feel around and know where your middle part is. Then, take a small section at the top that looks like a small triangle and work your way down, just like you did in the front 2 quadrants. Feel as you go, and even use a mirror to see what you're doing. Take your time and don't rush. You got this. Keep going. Using a mirror is key in application, especially when you're doing the back. Make sure to brush your mids and ends and get all the tangles out before shampooing and conditioning. Roots are processed and it's time to rinse. You can hop in the shower at home or lean over the sink, whichever is easiest and most comfortable. Make sure you add water and emulsify, breaking up the color before you continue rinsing, shampooing, and conditioning. Make sure the water runs clear before you move on to the next step. After shampooing, make sure you condition for at least 5 minutes, then rinse. Apply a leave-in conditioner, blow dry, and voila, you're done! You did it! Congratulations!